My name is Lorenzo and today I want to take you my opinion after using the Canon RF 24-240mm with aperture 4 to 6.3 for about a week and tell you my 2 cents on it. This is a versatile all-in-one super zoom lens in my opinion for full-frame RF mount mirrorless cameras covering an extensive focal range from wide angle to telephoto with a single optic, and let me tell you, just perfect. I absolutely loved it these few days. With the 24 to 240mm 10x zoom range, this lens lets you go from landscape on environmental shots to close-up and distant subject without chasing lenses. Built-in optical image stabilization provides up to 5 stops of shakes correction, helping you shoot sharper handheld photos and smoother videos even in low light and longer focal length. The lens incorporates also the nano USM autofocus, delivering fast, smooth, and near silent focusing. Haven't heard it for a while. Ideal for both stills and video capture when paired with the Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF cameras. The optical construction includes a combination of aspherical and UD or ultra-low dispersion elements to reduce aberration and maintain good image quality throughout the zoom range. It focuses as close as approximately 0 to 50 meters at the wide end and deliver maximum magnification of 0.26x at 240mm, enabling useful close-up capabilities without switching lenses. Despite its broad zoom range, the lens maintains a balanced form factor with a length of about 122.5mm, a filter diameter of 72mm, and a weight about 750 grams, making it a strong all-purpose choice for photographers. And now, would I recommend it? Absolutely yes. You can do anything with this. This is like the cream of the cream. This is like the best in price per quality. I really like it and recommend it.